Yo guys, what is up? It is the Korean Kid, and in this video, I'll be showing you guys my sneaker collection. So without further ado, let's get into it. Alright guys, starting off the collection is my pair of Jordan 13 University Blue and Grays. This is a great beater. It's all white and has some hits of suede and blue on the outsole. I really like this shoe. It's probably my favorite colorway of the Jordan 13s. Mainly because I'm a Tar Heels fan, and the University Blue goes good with all of my jerseys and shorts and pants that I have for the Tar Heels. A good beater. It's getting kind of old, so I haven't been wearing it as much. I don't want it to fall apart on me. Pretty good condition, I guess. The holographics getting kind of, faded, getting a little cloudy in there, so I'm probably gonna get like a heat gun to it and get it out of there. And just a good shoe, probably one of my favorite in my collection. And let's get on to the next shoe. Alright guys, on to the second shoe for the video. This is my pair of Yeezy V2 creams. I actually got these in size 10.5 because I heard you go true to size, and I got two pairs in size 10.5 when I sold the other one after I wore it, and they just do not fit. So if anyone has a size 11, I will gladly trade for the size 10.5. A good shoe. There's nothing really to say about it because there's no kind of patterns or anything. Just a solid white shoe. On the bottoms, as with any Yeezy, it's a slightly more yellow shade of whatever color it is. So for this, it's yellow on the bottom. For like the belugas, it would be more of like a darker gray. Like they almost make it like come discolored, so it looks better after some wear. And I do like this shoe, but it's not my favorite Yeezy by any account. And let's get on to shoe number 3. Alright guys, on to shoe number 3 is this pair of vintage Timberlands. These are from the 90s, I believe, and these are just like a great shoe to wear every once in a while, great to just pull out. These aren't the classic yellow Tims, obviously, but they do have similar color. And they're not as heavy as the classic yellow Tims that are very popular like right now. But I do get a lot of compliments for these because they stand out among other boots because no one really has these anymore. I like them a lot. They fit great. I mean, they go with a lot of my outfits. And yeah, just a great casual shoe to wear, especially on like a mucky day, because if these get messed up, it's not the end of the world. It's easy to clean. And let's get on to the next shoe. Alright guys, up next is this pair of Air Force 2 Supremes in the orange colorway. I have absolutely beat the shit out of these, and I wore these to school one day when I didn't realize that we had gym class, and I ran a mile in them. So the bottoms are kind of messed up, but these are one of my favorite beaters. Especially, I have some camo clothing. I like to wear these because orange is just goes great with all camo. It's a good accent. The shoes, a lot of people tell me that they're ugly, but I actually really like orange. It's probably one of my favorite colors. And I don't wear this like every day, but I do wear it a lot. Probably one of my favorite shoes in my rotation currently. And nothing really to say about the shoe. I mean, there's like some Supreme, but like no one really notices that. And on to the next shoe. Alright guys, so right here I got some Michael Vicks, and I like these a lot. I love how they look, and a lot of people are surprised that Michael Vick has his own shoe line with Nike, and I honestly don't blame them, but at the same time, when he was with the Falcons, he did some amazing things. This shoe is one that doesn't get a lot of wear from me anymore, just because it's getting older, and I don't want it to fall apart on me. I do love the leather strap right here. It has good leather throughout the shoe. I've worn this quite a bit. There's some discoloration on the heel right there, and on the forefoot where the rubber hits are on the midsole. I mean on the outsole, because that was really popular. Good shoe. It's not the most comfortable shoe, but it's just like a casual shoe for every once in a while wear. Again, it's really old. I believe that they retroed this maybe 1 or 2 years ago, but this is the OG classic, and I really like the shoe. I love the colorway. I had the limited edition pair with the all red, and it had all Michael Vick's designs and graffiti all around where this white tongue would be. And yeah, on to the next shoe. Alright guys, so the next shoe up is the Yeezy V2 Beluga 2.0. I got these on release day from Foot Locker, and by far my favorite Yeezy colorway. I honestly don't think that anything has come close to this, except for the Zebra probably, is my second favorite one. But I love how there's not like a big strap, it just says Supply 350 backwards. And it's an all gray shoe, and people see a little hit of orange. And again, orange is one of my favorite colors, so like, damn, that's popping. Nah, but it really just pops out of the shoe. It's good because a lot of shoes that people tend to wear are either a solid black or a solid white, and it's always good to come out and hit them with that all gray shoe with some hits of black and orange on it. It really stands out from the rest of the shoes that I see other people wearing at my school and around the mall and stuff. Again, by far my favorite Yeezy, and let's get on to the next shoe. Alright guys, up next is my pair of custom Jordan 1 Eagles, and I actually made a video on how to do these. I kind of went for a red theme, but used dark green instead of red for that Eagles color, because they have those dark green uniforms. I think that this turned out for my first custom that I've ever done, and nothing really to say about this. I mean, it was a pretty good art project, I guess. I've worn this a lot, and it hasn't cracked. So, I mean, I heard that's normal with customs, like they don't really fade fast. But, yeah, one of my favorite shoes, especially because, you know, I kind of got to design it, and I got to choose what I wanted to do with the colors. And, let's go on to the next shoe. Alright guys, up next is another Yeezy. This is another one of my favorite colorways, mainly because it resembles the Zebra, and instead of red, it's orange. And again, I like orange, and I like blue too. Not quite as good as the Zebra, but still. It's another one of those shoes that you pull out because everyone's always wearing black and white. And this is not black or white at all. So, yeah, it's pretty much like light gray with like bluish gray, I guess that's why they call it the blue tints. And, yeah, pretty nice shoe. Nothing big to say about these. I would say I was really happy with the sizing because it was exactly the same as the Beluga 2.0s, which normally they change up the sizing for some reason on every Yeezy. But yeah, one of the best colorways out there. I did wear these in the snow, like when they were salting, and that did kind of mess up the tread on them. But you know, it's a shoe, you wear it. And let's go on to the next shoe. Alright guys, next up from my list is this Yeezy Powerphase Calabasas Gray. And a good Yeezy beater, but let's be honest, they look like old Reeboks. So if I were to wear these, I'd probably get flamed quite a bit because people don't really know what they are. A lightweight all leather shoe with the rubber midsole and outsole has some pretty good traction. And yeah, nothing to really say about it. You got some hits of gold that's reflective, and Adidas in green, and Yeezy in red. Yeah, again, nothing really special about these shoes. Quality is good. Other than that, you know, just a standard shoe. And let's get on to the next shoe. Alright guys, last up for my video is my favorite beater of 2017, and that has been the NMD R1, and this is the black zebra colorway. This is my favorite beater. I have worn these so many times. The only complaint is not as comfortable as an Ultra Boost or a Yeezy, but you know, still very comfortable shoe. Not good for the winter though, because of the Prime Knit, all the air gets right through those little holes. And nothing really to say about this shoe. I mean, I kind of trashed it. I washed it a few times, but it doesn't look the same. So if you guys enjoyed this video on my shoe collection, please leave a like, subscribe, and until next time, I'm out. Peace.